I am going to show you how to create a user account in AWS. As you can see, this is my AWS console. Here I am going to log in with my credentials. I have my IAM account name as Wasim, so I am going to log in it. Give it a second. Let it get login. As you can see, I am at my account name as I have set up. So to create any user in IAM, we have to go to IAM. You can go from the recently visited or just find from the drop box that IAM, or one you can go to the services. Here in services you can see in security and identity compliance. Here it is IAM R1. Here also you can search for IAM, so just click on it. Now we are at the IAM console. As you can see, I have only one user, two groups, 10 roles, and the minimal setup. So go to the users, click on add user, provide the name. The user one, you can give any name. Let me give a name Khalid, and you can add multiple users at a time. So I'm not going to add multiple users, I am going on to add only one user this time. And you can provide what type of access you have to provide to the user. So here it is programmatic access, the access key and secret key. This will be get generated while creating this user, and this access key and secret key, it is being used for the developers or for the operation guys, means any user who have to connect to AWS programmatically. In that case we need this access key and secret key. Don't worry, we can generate it later on also. And the management console access, whenever we click this management console access, we have to generate a password for this user. So I'm selecting the auto generate, and here the required password reset, you must set this. For that, the user, whenever the user is signing in the first time, it will automatically ask the user to change his password. So click on next. Here you can you have three options. Here you can add a user to the group or copy permissions of existing user from the drop down list, or here it will get list of users from where you can select a user and copy the same permissions for this different user. And another one is attach the existing policy. So we are not going to attach any policy. So here, from here we can attach the policy like administrator access, other access, or something else. So we are going to add this user to this group who is having EC2 full access. So mine is a group name I had created, and it has the EC2 full access. Click on next. The tag, provide any tag. I'm giving the key as a name, and value is IAM user, or you can give any name, or it is a dev user or ops user, anything you can provide. So click on next, review it, what's going after you are creating the changes, and just create the user. It will create a user for you, and you can test the users. So the user has been created. As you can see, it has generated a password. This is a password. I'm going to copy it. You can directly send a mail, or this is the URL where the user is going to log in. So I'm already logged into this browser, so I'm going to change my browsers to Mozilla. Okay, so now I will copy this link address, paste it here, enter. Now as we have created new account for new user, we are going to copy this as well, the password. So my username is Khalid, password is this. As you can see, it has automatically taken the account ID as we have logged in from this uh, URL. So just log in. I don't want to save it. Oh, my Firefox is slow. So here, as you can see, it is asking user must change the password at the first time. So provide the old password and set the new one. I will set the new password. Please set the password which you can remain easily, and it must have the uppercase, lowercase, a special character and numbers, numeric values, and the password length must be minimum of 8. So creating the password, retyping, same password, confirm, don't save. Now our password has been changed and we are now logging in into the AWS account. As you can see, the new user Khalid at was him 9028 and the region is Ohio. We can switch the region from here, but it has only full access to EC2, not on the other services. So if we go to EC2, what we can do, we can check. Let's try to create an security group with a simple one. Creating a security group, we do have permission, SGK, description, SG of Khalid, and the VPC, let it be, add rules, inbound rule TCP 002000 HTTP, so 80 for the all. Okay, outbound is not an issue. Create. So we are able to create security group. Now what I will do, I will switch to service. I will go to IAM. I don't have write access to the IAM. So let's see what the IAM tell us. It will not allow to create any user. So you can see we encountered the following errors. We don't have any access. So nothing we can do here. We can't see the user. Instead we can't add the new user. Password next. Oh, you don't have permission. You need permission to set. Create without permission with boundaries. We can review it, and creating user, it is showing unable to create user as we don't have access. So cancel it, and that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.